Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this high capacity microSD card holder. So I ordered this off eBay and it took about 22 days to get to me. And I'll put a link in the description of this, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. And this was very cheap. And I also have this other SD card holder that I will compare it to. So this is made of aluminum and it has two sides to it. It has this like little metal piece in the middle. And this holds 24 microSD cards. And I looked on Amazon and couldn't find many high capacity ones that only held microSD cards. So the SD cards here will fit in the foam like so. Okay. And then to take them out, you stick your fingernail in there and pull them out. So I'm not sure how secure this is going to be. Like if this is closed, there's a little gap there it looks like. So let me see if I can tap these out. Well, they did stay in. You could probably put some business cards or like a credit card type card in there to hold it in even more if you need more pressure on it. So this holder is credit card sized, exactly. So if you look at this here, this is slightly bigger than credit card sized. You could stick a credit card in here, like down this little slot there, or even business cards or something. And this is the other card holder I was using. This had room for the larger SD cards and then the smaller ones. So this held 4 microSD cards and 2 larger cards, but you could put a small card in each of these, so you could put 6 microSD cards in here. And this takes up a fair amount of room. So this has a much higher capacity than this one. I'll see if you can put a large SD card in there. Looks like you can. That fits in there pretty good. So if you have like a large SD cards, or if you have one of these adapters you want to put in here, I mean, you could put quite a few in there. And it's kind of sticking up there a little bit. So, not perfect for carrying those, but there are lots of holders that carry both sides cards, and I wanted one that was just for the microSD cards. And the reason I wanted it for is for my Raspberry Pi and my GoPro, because I use cards for both of those purposes. So I have some old business cards. I'm going to find them. I have them somewhere, and I'm going to put those in here. Then I can write on the business card over the slot each one is in, so I can keep track of what they're for. Because like right now I know one of these has Wikipedia on it. I can't remember which one, maybe both. But I could label that and then keep it on there, and I could have one for, say, Raspberry Pi OS. I could have one for the GoPro time lapses, things like that, and I can better organize my microSD cards. So I just wanted to share that with you if you're interested in a high capacity microSD card case. Looks like it's dented just slightly right there. But I mean, this is very thin aluminum, so it will get dented up if you press down on it a lot. So that's all for this video. If you have any questions about this, please leave it in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.